How to reset network settings in Windows 11. Resetting network is troubleshooting features in Windows 11. If you have any of the following problems, then you can reset network settings. 1. Computer not connected to Wi-Fi network. 2. Computer not connected to Ethernet network. 3. You are not able to connect to VPN. 4. The Bluetooth device not working properly. 5. Proxy settings are not configured correctly. Now let's look how to reset network settings in Windows 11. Go to Search and type Settings and then select Settings from the list. Next, navigate to Network and Internet. Click on Advanced Network Setting. Click on Network Reset. Next, click on Reset Now. Click on Yes to confirm network reset. Windows will give info like when your computer will get restart. Click on Close. You can use the command line version to reset network settings, and here are the steps for this. Go to Search and type CMD and then write on command prompt and select Run as administrator. This will open a command prompt with admin privilege. Now type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This will reset the winsock catalog, which is a database that stores network configuration information. Next, type netsh space int space IP space reset and press Enter. This will reset the IP stack, which is responsible for routing network traffic. Now you have to restart your computer manually. Please note that deleting it will not remove any personal files or data stored on your computer. This much for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Thank you.